And this is my project in English. My project is about vignette. Vignette can commonly be seen in pictures like this. What is a vignette in literature? A vignette is a sketch or descriptive narration of a place or person. This is commonly used to give more detail on the air, on the atmosphere, or the character. A vignette doesn't have any action or movement. This is more commonly on description. And in my vignette, I use plenty of adverbs and clauses. Adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, and normally provides information about the subject or the verb. Clauses are groups of words with a subject and a verb. Unlike phrases, phrases don't have subjects and verbs. Clauses can act independently and sometimes can't act independently. And lastly, I use prepositions in my vignette. This is used to show more understanding on the location and the place of my vignette. And now I will show you the vignette that I made as my project. Peaceful to the mind with such splendid view, as I gladly sit still in my point of view. The water is crystal clear and blue, as it gracefully lands on the hard rocks. The gentle flow of the water's song, with little leaves happily flowing along. The falling leaves as seasons change. If winter comes, such sights may await. If the trees weren't cut, I wonder how full it would be. I surely wish that people would see how wondrous, how colorful nature can be. And that is the end of my vignette. As you can see, when reading or hearing a vignette, you can suddenly imagine a place or a location from the details and the story and the words of my vignette. This is commonly used in narrations and normally comes up with the characters or actions. This is just used to in order to give the reader full detail of the situation. And this is my project in science. It is about the basics of understanding chemistry. This is the molecular formula and its skeletal form. First in the molecular formula is carbon. Carbon can be found in every end of the line in its structure. Hydrogens are also found in every line. They assist the carbon in making the structure stable. The rest of the chemical formulas can be found anywhere in the structure. Now we understand the chemicals and its structure. Let's take some examples and analyze their similarities and differences. First off, let's start with the drug called benzodiazepine. It's a drug that's used as a hypnotic or antidepressant. It's commonly used to calm our nervous system. This drug has 2 benzene rings, which means they give off a aromatic smell. Next off, we have the phencyclidine. It's a drug that causes hallucinations, or normally called angel dust. It is actually used to help people with problems in hallucination and problems with trauma. It also has a similar structure to the previous drug we talked about. Next drug we're going to talk about is the drug heroin. It is a drug used to control the heart rate, emotions, and breathing. It is commonly seen in hospitals and even in soldier battles. Next drug we have morphine. Morphine is a drug that relieves pain, controls the heart rate, and calms the user. It is very similar to heroin since they both have very similar parent cells. Now, if you realize that all of these drugs are very similar and also have almost the same purpose, you're not wrong because all of these drugs are part of the amine group and are used as neurotransmitters to control the brain. All amine group substances have the suffix amine, amino, ine, or azo. It is because it gives them the same parent cell and the same purpose. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the purpose of chemistry? Why are we studying all of this? Well, to answer that question, it's simple. As you can see, having the same parent cells give you the same purpose in the same substance group, which sometimes allows you to replace that substance. Like in old cars, we actually use lead as gasoline. As we can know today, lead is actually very, very harmful to the health. Thanks to chemistry, we have found a alternate substance with the same molecule or parent cell, which is gasoline, oil, or fossils. Knowing the structure also helps us to know if the substance are compatible with another substances. And that's my project and understanding in my lesson in science. Call you baby, let me hold your hand. Can you be my lover up until the very end? I show you love, oh no pretend. Be by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me in my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you saw my worth. Only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. Ooh, la, do, 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 Let me stay forever. Let me hold your hand. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can. Show you love, oh no pretend. I'll be right here, baby, you know it's sink or swim. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me in my word. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you're somewhat worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the word. Ooh, da da da. I need somebody who can love me in my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you saw my word. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. And that's all for my ukulele video. Bye bye.